the shifts, of course, are very, very fast. And the exhaust has a little bit of a backfire to it, which I enjoy. But I'm already ready to put this into track mode, so let's do that. Pretty incredible for a 4-cylinder. Wow. Of course, I don't want to get it too hot, but this thing it's just so crazy. This small of a vehicle with this small of a powertrain is this fast. That is crazy. And then here's the adaptive cruise on now, and I have the lane keep assist, which is just gonna ping me back and forth as it feels me going in and out of the lines. I'm gonna put it back into drive mode. But this is actually pretty exhilarating for what it is. And the ride quality is very Cadillac-like. Very nice ride, and I can feel the wind noise being kind of dampened because it's pretty windy. I think it's blowing about 15 miles per hour. And still, I have to listen for the wind noise. Yeah, so far I'm extremely impressed. And I am in track mode, so I don't know if it'll let me put the auto stop on now. Now the tour mode, it's kind of hesitates to find that shift point when I put my foot into it. So I want to see in track mode how it reacts. And it hesitates just a tad to find what gear it wants in automatic mode, but I mean, in that manual mode, boy, that thing it's snappy. So if you really want a spirited ride, I would definitely put it into track mode and then put into that manual mode so you can tell it what to do. And just a really, overall, a fun car, but also a very luxurious car. My only complaint is going to be the size, but like I said, if you don't have anybody with you and it's just going to be you, this is perfect. And if you have a little bit more company with you, I should say quite often, then you should definitely go with the CT4-V in my opinion. Same power, not necessarily the Blackwing, but you get that same kind of pull, same snappy transmission. You're paying a little bit more money, but you have that added space. And then of course, if you want the epitome of luxury and you want something super quick, try and find an older CT4-V, because that thing was, I drove a 2020, that was one of the most incredible drives I've had. Just knowing that I was in a boat of a car that was still doing 0 to 60 around 4 seconds. But in true Cadillac fashion, just really smooth ride when I'm not putting my foot in this car. And I'm just extremely impressed for under 60,000 what you get with this CT4-V. And And I see why they want you to run that premium, so you can get that full effect of driving this thing. But this will bring me to the end of my review of the new 2023 Cadillac CT4-V series.